Today I'm going to show you how a patient healed her IBS and reduced her inflammation by 95% in 6 weeks. My name is Dr. Thomas Rofrano from the Natural Medicine Clinic in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, and author of the FreeDiet. And I had a patient come in, 68-year-old woman who was complaining of IBS symptoms, abdominal pain, indigestion, bloating, gas, constipation. She had fatigue, brain fog, overweight, insomnia, joint pain, and was just feeling pretty terrible. So first thing we do is comprehensive testing to determine the root causes of her issues. So that includes a comprehensive health panel, which is a number of blood markers, and it turned out she had very high levels of inflammation. That's a marker called CRP, or C-reactive protein. She had high levels of glucose, insulin, cholesterol, triglycerides. So she had insulin resistance, prediabetes, metabolic syndrome. And on top of that, to determine the underlying root causes, I look at 5 main areas of deficiencies: toxins, infections, hormones, and food reactions. So with IBS, the 2 most common areas and root causes are infections and food reactions. Her stool test findings revealed she had candida yeast and bacterial overgrowth, and under food reactions tested positive for gluten sensitivity. That causes leaky gut, which she also had, which then makes you more susceptible to other food reactions. So she tested positive for many different food sensitivities, and the main categories for her were grains, legumes, dairy, eggs, yeast. So with leaky gut, that can cause deficiencies as well. So she also had numerous nutritional deficiencies and hormonal imbalance. She had some adrenal dysfunction, low DHEA, and in particular. In putting all that together and coming up with a specific diet and supplement program, which I'll go over in a minute, the end result was that after 6 weeks, she came back in and her gut symptoms were better. She had more energy. She was sleeping much better, and she dropped 10 pounds in 6 weeks. So she was thrilled about that. She said her stomach was flat for the first time in years. And her blood test, we did that health panel over again, and her CRP inflammatory marker came down 95% in that 6 weeks, and glucose dropped 20 points to normal, so it was 83. Insulin dropped by like 68%. Cholesterol, triglycerides dropped by over 40 points. So those were very good as well. So the diet I use and developed is called the FreeDiet. It's a diet I came up with years ago when I had to figure out how to heal myself from my own chronic gut, thyroid, autoimmune, and other health issues I was having. So it's free of not only gluten, but gluten grains, sugar, yeast, dairy, eggs, soy, legumes, nightshades, processed foods, free of those foods most commonly responsible for inflammation, gut, thyroid, and other health issues. So basically consists of a smoothie for breakfast, and then lunch and dinner is protein, vegetables, healthy fats. There's a resource for you. Feel free to check the link below, and we'd be happy to send you that. So that was the diet and supplements. We do the functional 5, multi-fish oil, D with K, magnesium, probiotic, and for further gut support, GI Mend, gut immune repair, Candida Solve, gastric zyme, digestive enzyme to help her break down her foods better, to initially help with that. And then for inflammatory support, curcumin, cardiometabolics, which has berberine, alpha-lipoic acid, adrenal support, and nutrients for the deficiency she had, B12, A, C, and zinc, amongst others. Those are very important for gut healing, by the way. So between the FreeDiet, the supplements, she was able to achieve those results of healing her IBS, knocking her inflammation down 95%, dropping 10 pounds, getting her blood sugar and cholesterol, lipids back down to normal, and overall just feeling so much better. So it just goes to show you, if you get to the root causes and are provided the right solutions, I believe almost anyone can get better. So thanks for joining me today. Feel free to like and subscribe. And if you want to receive the FreeDiet Phase 1 food chart, that's below as well. Take care.